I think I gave you the first answer, am I right? Okay. So is it enough if I just draw a sketch, or do I need to actually do the ruler and protractor part? Just a sketch? How about I do the sketch and then we'll see if that's enough? Because I can do the sketch pretty quick. Okay, so we did the first one. So the second one, did I get the answer to the second one? Okay, so 15 meters per second at north 12 east. So you draw a reference line that is north. It doesn't have to be very long. You can label it with an N if you want. North 12 east. So I look east, and how far do I go? 12 degrees. So that angle in there should be 12 degrees. Okay. Just watch. I'd rather you watch. Okay? So you've got something like 1 centimeter equals, this is 15 meters per second. So 1 centimeter equals, I don't know, maybe 5 or 3 meters per second. If it was 3, then how long would your vector have to be? 5. 15 divided by 3, right? So this would be 5 centimeters long, and that angle there would be 12 degrees. Is that enough for an answer? Okay. Something wrong with that one, Johnny? So now let's look at the next one. This one always causes me some grief, and really it's just a starting point for a conversation. So if you get something like this, 45N at 64 degrees above horizontal, everyone kind of goes, what? I haven't seen anything like this before. The N stands for newtons. That's your unit above the horizontal, sometimes abbreviated to ATH, above the horizontal. All that means is instead of north, east, southwest, you've got a horizontal line, like so, and you simply go how many degrees above? 64. And it doesn't matter whether you go up to the right or up to the left. So you would have something like this. That would be with an arrowhead, right? And this angle here would be 64 degrees. You would measure it with a protractor. I'm trying to pick up the speed a little here. So 64 degrees above the horizontal. As I said, it could also be this way. I didn't indicate whether it was to the left or to the right. And how long? 45 newtons. So you would have something like 1 centimeter equals, I don't know, like maybe 10 newtons. Okay? And then how long would this arrow be? It'd be 4.5 centimeters. Right? 45 divided by 10. Is that making some sense? Give me some nods. Okay? Give me a blank look if it's a no. Thanks, Jaden. Jaden was just modeling what a blank look looks like. You want to show everyone else? No? D, 8 meters at 175. So this is that other sort of way to do things, right? 0, 90, 180, 270, right? So 175 would be where? Not quite 180. So it would be like there, right? And what would this angle here from the top right to the bottom, that would be 175, right? How long? 1 centimeter equals 8 meters, maybe. 1 centimeter equals 1 meter. And then this would simply be 8 centimeters long, right? Right? Is that enough to make you feel okay about this? Okay, good. You should have a practice one. If you didn't get one, I'll get you one. Let me know. You should have a practice one. Number 1 says all you have to do is draw a scale drawing. Number 2 is just sketches. That means just kind of draw it like this. Okay? There is a link that you can type in. There is a QR reader code. I encourage you to get that app on your phone if you have a data plan. If you just have Wi-Fi, you can use it at home, right? It shows you the solutions, the answers. Okay? When mom and dad come in for parent teacher and they say, you know, so-and-so's having some trouble, what can they do? I'm going to say, do they have a QR code reader on their phone? And then I'm going to show them this. And they're going to go, my kid can do this at home? And I'm going to go, yep. And then guess who's going to hear about it at home? Oh, it ain't going to be me. Get it, use it, be responsible. QR reader on the phone. QR reader. It works on iPad, it works on iPod. Anything that has Wi-Fi and a camera will work. You can type in the link as well, right? Computer at home. Unless you have zero computer access, internet access, you know, you can get to this. If you have zero internet access, come and see me. I'll print you a copy. There is no excuse other than I'm too lazy to do it. That's the only excuse. Okay? No. That is for your own time. That's if you need extra practice.